That's why they call them hollers. These trails are located about 14 miles southeast of downtown Rogers, Arkansas. Whoa, got a little crazy there. This one clipped, having some issues this morning. I bet it's loose. So this is the connector trail that we're on. Sawtooth downhill. Okay, so that's the Sawtooth downhill right there. That's the way we're gonna go down. If you kept following this, the tunnel connector, that would take you out to, I forgot the name of that loop, Karst Loop. Okay. You'll be fine, just take it easy. Oh, that wasn't good. Got a little squirrely back there. Grabbing the spider webs this morning. It's not very chunky so far. Oh boy. Come on, legs, you can do it. Whew, that was a steepie. Make me weepy. Woo! And some more downhill, maybe. No, not so much. Okay, doing a little climbing here. Had little jumps here and there, all single track, which is fine by me. And tight little switchback, going down, and I think we are at the return trail. So I'm gonna wait for her up here in the shade. Yeah.
Man.
That wasn't so bad, was it?
No.
All right, so now we're on the climb trail to take us back to the top. So we're still on the climb trail, though it don't look like it. I hate it when climb trails go down because it means you gotta climb this all back up again. Yeah, I don't know if we're gonna do that other trail or not. It's already getting kind of, what's the word I want to use? The air's getting hot and thick out here. This is all down in like a holler, so ain't much air gets down in here. So the air's just really thick and heavy down here. So yeah, we're just taking our time getting back up this thing, and I've kind of been not feeling too well the past 3 days or so. Kind of just getting over it, so I don't want to push too hard. But we'll see if we're going to do that other loop or that other trail or not, because we will have to come back up this. We'll see how hard it is to come back up it. So far it hasn't been terribly bad, but my fear is because it hasn't been terribly bad, we're gonna have some huge climbs up here in front of us. But most of it is in the shade. That's one good thing. They said this trail, the climb trail, was only like a mile long, but I didn't think to look. And my pooter to see what mileage we were at back there at the junction. All right, now we're gonna climb, I guess. All right, I'm gonna turn y'all off again. And hopefully next time we talk to you, we'll be at the top of the hill. Okay, folks, we have made it to the top. It wasn't that hard of a climb as I thought it was gonna be. It was a pretty...
After that downhill.
Yeah, it's a pretty mild climb. Whew. And we did finally get a breeze, thank the Lord. Oh, it feels good. So, the options here, let's go back. So we came up from this trail right here. This is the climb trail. So your options here is to go right or to go left. If you go left, that'll take you back to where we got on the, what was that, jigsaw or saw blade? Jigsaw trail. Went downhill, and it'll also take you back to the parking lot. If you go right, it takes you to this other trail, which I cannot remember the name of. And it's another downhill. You'll go downhill, and then you'll have to climb back up this, and then you can head back. So we got about another mile that way to get this. What is the name of, oh, Timberjack. Get to the Timberjack trail. It's probably about a mile over, mile down, and then about a mile back up. And
Three
then,
more miles.
yeah, and then about a mile, a little over a mile to get back to the parking lot.
4 miles.
Yep.
Is there any bailout points on the way?
Nope, this is your only bailout right here.
And that just goes 1 mile to the parking lot?
Yeah, it's about...
That's not much.
Oh.
You like 4 miles, don't you?
Well, I'm not feeling great. My biggest fear is getting out here and...
Well, I mean...
one of us getting heat exhaustion. All right, it is 88 degrees and feels like 98.
Ooh.
Yeah.
That's probably not good to go 4 more miles in.
Yeah, we're getting close to a danger zone. Let's see what the OSHA says.
Oh? Well, you need to ask Grok.
Grok don't know.
He knows everything.
95.
Are we right on the
We're right on the
danger?
Morning and danger.
Oh, Will Robbins.
Oh, well, yeah, we probably should have got out here a little bit earlier. I think we should.
That man was thinking in the parking lot.
Yeah, he's probably thinking, are these people stupid? Don't they know we're in a heat advisory?
Suicidal.
It's not too bad up here on these ridges because you get this breeze. But man, you get down those hollers down there, whew, it just burns you up.
Like a slow burn oven.
Yep. All right, we're gonna play it safe. We got about a mile, not quite a mile and a half to get back. Y'all see all this water on my tire? There's nothing but sweat off my helmet. That's how humid it is. Well, that was a bummer, but it's just not worth one of us getting into trouble. There's a pointer tree. Ooh, wait for her here. A little downhill maybe. Not much on. Woo! Woo! That's why they call them hollers. You can holler and hear yourself. Woo! So far, so good. Hadn't had a pedal yet. Oh, I think I spoke too soon. Yep. Weren't too bad. I don't know what I'd done if it dropped off right there. That was probably not real smart. But I never said I was the sharpest tool in the shed. All right, so here we are back at Sawtooth. That's the name of this, not Jigsaw, Sawtooth. This is where we started. So the plan was to come out here, do Sawtooth, which we did, come up the climb trail, then to hang a right, go over here to Timberjack, go down it, and you can come back up the climb trail and then go back to the parking lot, but it's just too hot. But you can see, man, look at this. You see you got all kinds of trails to get to from here. So you could follow this trail, take it over to Wolf Den, and then you take Wolf Den up to the Karst Loop. So that'd make a nice big ride if it was nice out.
Yeah.
Come down through here, come up, do this,
November.
go do Karst, come back Wolf Den, and then come back.
Yeah, November.
Yep.
Good deal. November.
All right, yeah, it's just too hot out here for us. I guess when they finally invent air conditioning for bicycles, and yeah, I'm sure they have. Well, I think we made the right decision. It's not the decision I wanted to make, but safety first. Well, guys, that'll do it for this video. Thank you so much for joining us today on this little misadventure, I guess you would say. Sorry we couldn't have done more. It was just too hot out there, and we felt like we shouldn't be out there riding on a day like that. But if you've ever been out on these trails, leave us a comment below and let us know what your thoughts were on these. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, we would really appreciate it if you would, and give us a like maybe. As always, thank you for watching, and hope to see you on the next one.